students, welcome on my YouTube channel Chemistry by Shivam Educations. Now in today's lecture, we will discuss and understood about what is meant by adsorption, then adsorbent, adsorbate, then after three different phenomena, what is the meaning of desorptions, absorption and sorption. Now adsorptions. When we take any solid substance or a liquid, then it is observed that when we have taken a cross section of this solid substance. Now when we observe this solid substance, then it is observed that molecule deeply embedded in solid substance, it is surrounded by same type of another molecule. Now this molecule present inside are surrounded by same type of other molecule inside. Because of this, their magnetic field is ineffective. They have a balanced effect of different type of forces. But when we take the molecule present on surface, suppose this molecule present on surface I have taken, then you can observe that यहाँ पर दो साइड से फोर्स लगता है, suppose from upside or from a side. So here it is observed that molecule present on surface feel effect of imbalanced residual forces. So now it will be common for all this molecule. Suppose ये molecule है, तो उसमें तीन साइड से फोर्स लगता है, from side as well as from bottom. So due to this imbalance effect of residual forces, the molecule present on surface, their magnetic field is effective in nature. Now due to this magnetic field effective in nature, so one type of strain or force is created on the surface. So we can write these things due to imbalance effect of residual forces, it is observed that one type of strain, or we can say that one type of force is created. We can say strain or attractive force create on surface. Now because of this, surface molecule are effective for attraction of another molecule. Now such a surface, when come in contact with another molecule of solid, or it can come in contact with the gas, or particularly it will come in contact with a liquid, then such a surface will attract the molecule. Suppose when different type of gaseous molecule come in contact with the surface, then the surface will try to attract such a molecule. But this concentration of this molecule will be maximum on this surface. So we can say that when such a surface come in contact with this other molecule, then we can say that such a surface attract molecule of gas or liquid, and it is observed that the concentration of this molecule will be more on surface. Such a concentration of such type of molecules will be more on the surface, and because of this, such a molecule remain only on surface, but they can't penetrate the surface. ये molecule है, ऊपर की सपाटी पर ही रहेंगे, अंदर नहीं जा सकते. Then this phenomena is considered as a adsorption. So what is meant by adsorption? The phenomenon in which surface attract the molecule of gas or liquid, it will be hold on it. Therefore, the concentration of such molecule will be more on surface as compared to inner bulk. This phenomena is considered or known as a adsorption. Now this we will try to understood with help of one example. Suppose one colored solutions I have taken. Suppose here this is pure distilled water I have taken. In this pure distilled water is there. Now in distilled water, suppose we have added a dye, and as a dye, suppose I have taken a methylene blue. So now because of this, entire solution will be colored solutions. The solution will be colored. dye is added, so this solution is colored in a nature. So just I have given a tiny color to it. Now in this I am adding activated charcoal. Now when I will add this activated charcoal in this, then after some time you will observe that this tiny particle of dye will start to adsorb on the surface, and because of this its concentration will increase on the surface. Its concentration increase on the surface, so what will we observe that this intensity of color, we can say that whatever this solution we have, this color intensity decrease, जो color की जो तीव्रता है वो decrease होती है. Now this decrease occurring intensity of color is due to adsorptions. So activated charcoal here, whatever we have taken on this surface, adsorption occur. So we can say that, or we can define another definitions. It is of adsorbent. What is adsorbent? The solid on which adsorption occur. The solid on which adsorption occur is known as a adsorbent. So here in our case, this activated charcoal, whatever we have taken, this activated charcoal is working as a adsorbent. There are a lot of examples of adsorbent here. We can take different type of adsorbent for different phenomena. Now another word, adsorbate. Now here these dye molecules, these are the dyes molecule. We can say that this dye molecule adsorb on the surface. So this dyes molecule of methylene blue which is present on surface is considered as a adsorbate. So adsorbate, what is the adsorbate? The molecule which undergo adsorption. We can define this adsorbate in this way. The molecule which undergo adsorption. The molecule which undergo adsorption is known as a adsorbent. The molecule which undergo adsorption is known as adsorbate. The solid surface on which adsorption occurs is known as adsorbent. In our case, this activated charcoal is adsorbent, while the molecule of dyes which undergo adsorption on activated charcoal, this molecule of dye is known as adsorbent. Now, in a distilled water, we have a color dye is added, so entire solution is color. In this color solution, when I will add activated charcoal, then this color intensity is decreased because of adsorption phenomena. So here adsorption we can define in this way: the surface of solid or liquid on which molecule attracted either of gas or liquid, and its concentration will be more on surface as compared to inner bulk. This phenomena is known as adsorption. So why this thing occur? Then we have discussed that there is a specific mechanism of adsorptions. The molecule present inside the bulk, it is surrounded by same type of other molecule. Therefore, their magnetic field is destroyed. But the molecule present on the surface, they are having an imbalance effect of residual forces. So their magnetic field is not destroyed completely. So one type of strain is created on the surface. Now such a surface, when come in contact with the another molecule of gas, then it has a tendency to attract the molecule, and when it attracts, their concentration will be more on surface as compared to inner bulk, and this is nothing but adsorptions. So now it is observed that due to adsorptions, when we take this adsorptions, we have to write this thing. Due to adsorption, surface energy will decrease. Surface energy is going to decrease. Now why the surface energy decrease? because one time molecule is attracted on the surface. Now it has a less capacity to attract another molecule. So due to the adsorption phenomena, surface energy will always decrease. So we can say that this adsorption is one type of exothermic reaction. Because of this, energy is liberated, its energy is decreasing. So you have to put in your mind, adsorption is one type of exothermic process. Now the same thing we will discuss with help of another example. Now another example of adsorption phenomena. Now I have taken a water. Now in this glass containing a distilled waters. Now in this glass yellow color sugar is added. आपको पता है कि sugar है वो completely प्योर हो तभी भी वो व्हाइट कलर की होती है, वरना इम्प्योर यानी प्योरिफिकेशन के बिना जो शुगर हमें मिलती है वो येलो कलर की शुगर है. So when I will add a yellow color sugar into this glass of water, then what happens that the sugar molecule will start to diffuse, and it is observed that after some time this water become yellow in color. So water become yellow in color. So what happens that sugar dissolve and its color intensity spread thoroughly into this container. Now color intensity spread thoroughly into this container. So this phenomena is considered or known as a absorption. So what is absorption? यदि आपने कंपाउंड में ऐड किया, सुगर को वाटर में ऐड किया, then sugar will dissolve and its molecule of sugar will diffuse thoroughly. Then it is considered as an absorption. So what is the difference between adsorption and absorption? Adsorption में concentration of molecule which is adsorbed will be only more on the surface. Here the concentration of the molecule will be uniform. So we can say that this adsorption phenomena, whatever adsorption phenomena, it will be one type of heterogeneous system, while this absorption phenomena is one type of homogeneous system. In such a homogeneous system, you will observe that here no any different phase is there. Here only one liquid phase, single phase, intensity will be uniform thoroughly. So this first phenomena is absorption. Now in this container we are adding a activated charcoal again. So when I will add activated charcoal, what happens that slowly the molecule of dye will start to adsorb on the surface, and because of this, after some time you will observe that color intensity will decrease. So I have added activated charcoal. After adding activated charcoal, it is observed that color intensity, or we can say yellow color intensity, this yellow color intensity decrease. Now this yellow color intensity decrease because of the molecule of yellow color of sugar or dyes particle will adsorb on the surface of activated charcoal. So this phenomena is known as a adsorption. So now you observe that in first, when we are adding a sugar, then absorption occurs. After this, when we have added activated charcoal, color intensity decrease, then this phenomena occurs, adsorption. So sometimes absorption and adsorption phenomena occur one by one in our containers. Then it is considered as a sorption. It will consider as a sorptions. Now before this we go in detailed discussion of sorption. Here in this case, activated charcoal is nothing but a activated charcoal. We have whatever you use, it is nothing but a adsorbent, and this dye molecule, yellow color particle of dye, it is nothing but a adsorbate. And this entire phenomena in which yellow color intensity decrease due to adding of activated charcoal is considered as an adsorption. Now here we observe that adsorption and absorption occur one by one. So when absorption and adsorption occur one by one, such a thing is considered as a sorption. So whenever adsorption and absorption occur simultaneously, then it is considered as a sorption. Now example of this. Suppose when I will take a silica gel, then it is observed that on the surface of silica gel, water molecule will adsorb. Means water molecule will adsorb. Means silica gel is used to keep electronic instrument free from moisture. So on the surface of silica gel, water molecule will adsorb. But suppose calcium chloride लिया है हमने, then on surface of calcium chloride, water molecule will absorb. तो calcium chloride की में water molecule thoroughly spread होंगे, uniformly spread होंगे, while on silica gel की surface पर ही water molecule present होंगे. So the first phenomena is adsorption and second phenomena is absorption. But suppose I am giving you another example. Now hydrogen gas when we adding, it is observed that hydrogen gas, initially we have taken palladium metal, then on surface of palladium metal, hydrogen gas first slowly will adsorb. Its concentration will be maximum only on surface, but after some time slowly concentration become uniform, and we can say that concentration become uniform, so thereafter it will be absorbed. So here you observe that hydrogen gas initially on the surface of palladium, suppose this is the metal we have taken, then on surface of this their concentration will be only maximum. Then after thoroughly it will start to penetrate the surface, and we can say that it will be uniformly spreaded into this metal. Then this phenomena is absorption. So whenever adsorption and absorption phenomena take place simultaneously, it means one by one, then this is considered as a sorption. So we have covered four most important terms. First is adsorption, second is adsorbate, adsorbent. Then after we will discuss about absorption. Then we will discuss about sorptions. Now desorption is totally opposite phenomena than adsorptions. Now what is meant by desorption phenomena? Then desorption is, we can say that desorption, this desorption phenomena is totally opposite to, desorption phenomena is totally opposite to adsorption. Means क्या होगा इस phenomena में? Then in adsorption phenomena, molecule attracted and come on the surface, while in desorption phenomena, due to increase in a temperature, we can write it due to increase in temperature or decrease in pressure. Either we have decrease the pressure, the molecule left the surface. Different type of molecule which are present on the surface due to adsorption, the molecule concentration decreased, the molecule left surface. Then such a phenomena is known as a desorption. So we can say that desorption is totally opposite phenomena than adsorption. In adsorption phenomena, molecule come on the surface due to force of attraction and it will stay on surface only. But suppose we have increased the temperature or we have decreased the pressure, then molecule left the surface, concentration decreases, then it is desorption. मैं आपको एक बढ़िया सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. कभी हम मॉल में गए और हमने वॉशरूम में जाके अपने हैंड क्लीन किए, तो उसके बाद वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है वो हमारी स्किन पर टाइनी पार्टिकल विल भी होंगे, तो हमारी स्किन है वो वेटेड है. तो अब उसको ड्राई करना चाहते हैं तो क्या करेंगे कि वहां पर ड्रायर रखा हुआ है, एयर ब्लोअर रखा हुआ है, उसके नीचे हम अपने हाथ रखते हैं तो हॉट एयर blow होने पर the water molecule which are present on surface it will left the surface. हमारे hand है वो dry हो जाएंगे. So due to hot air come on skin, water molecule left the surface of skin. Then this phenomena is nothing but a desorption. Similarly, so temperature increase होगा तो molecule adsorb molecule और desorption phenomena follow करते हैं. Similarly, suppose हमारे घर पर और हमारी कार में जो सोफा सेट होते हैं उसको क्लीन करना है तो वैक्यूम क्लीनर यूज करते हैं. तो वैक्यूम क्लीनर क्या करेगा कि जो भी सरफेस है उस पर से प्रेशर कम होने की वजह से वो मॉलिक्यूल सरफेस पर है उसको निकाल देगा. तो उसको निकालने से सरफेस क्लीन हो जाएगी. सो द फिनोमिना व्हाटएवर applied by vacuum cleaner, it is one type of desorptions. So due to the pressure, decrease in the pressures, the molecule present on surface will left the surface. So this will be a desorptions. So either by increasing a temperature or either by decreasing a pressure, molecule can left the surface, and this phenomena is nothing but a desorptions. So now we have to go through detailed understanding or example of adsorbate. We can observe that dyes molecule are there. Then dyes molecule can be adsorbed on the surface of activated charcoal. Now here we have used activated charcoal. Here as an adsorbent we have used a metal. So different type of material we can use as a adsorbent. We can use activated charcoal, we can use metal oxide, then different type of clay, etc. material can be used as an adsorbent. So it is observed that for adsorption phenomena, surface area is most important. So when surface area increase, adsorption will also increase. So उसके लिए हमें ये ध्यान में रखना है कि as compared to block of the material, the powder of material will be more effective adsorbent. Reason is that more the surface area, more the adsorptions. So my dear students, in today's class we have discussed about this 6 basic terms with example. First is adsorption, absorption, then adsorbent, adsorbate, and desorption and sorptions. तो आपको एक काम करना है कि चलो फाइंड आउट करो what is the basic difference or 3 point of difference between adsorption and absorption. So first difference in adsorption phenomena, molecule concentration will be more on surface. In absorption phenomena, molecule will be spread uniformly, thoroughly. Adsorption is heterogeneous phenomena, absorption is homogeneous phenomena. During this adsorption phenomena, surface energy will decrease. During absorption, no such change is observed. It is observed that whenever adsorption occurs, suppose example we can give silica gel. On the surface of silica gel, water molecule will adsorb, while in surface of calcium chloride, water molecule will absorb. Then sometime both phenomena can possible to one by one or simultaneously. So students, आपको मेरा लेक्चर कैसा लगा? अच्छा लगा? Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. दूसरे friends को भी बताइए, so they can also get advantage of our channel. All the best. See you in next lecture.